And that brings us to the end of our Module 1 complete tutorial for Breakdance WordPress 2026. We've created a stunning, yes, good enough, one-pager for a private individual doing pottery. And what she wants to do is for people to know who she is, establish her brand, her colors, the feeling for what she does, and then also for people to view her work and those who are interested in commissioning work from her to be able to contact her. I think a page like this for every creator out there is very important. It's a resume, it's a yellow pages, it's a reference tool, it's social bragging. We've used only the free version of Breakdance, and we did amazing work with the free version. At the same time, I like having the Pro because it comes with so many additional features and so powerful in terms of your work. I would also say that once we get to multi-pages, blogging, and especially if you get to WooCommerce and creating online e-commerce stores, that you definitely have to consider the Pro version. For all of these things that we've done, there are links in the description below. From me, JP, this brings us to the end. I'll see you in the next module.